Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your USB drive folders are not showing on your Windows computer. So this can be a really frustrating issue, and without further ado, we're going to jump right into the hopeful resolution for this issue. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and on Windows 10 devices, you want to type in this PC. On Windows 7 and Windows 8, you want to just type in computer. And now you want to locate your drive that is going to be experiencing the issues with. So in my case, my flash disk right here. Take note of whatever letter is in here. In my case, it's my E drive. So once we've taken note of that, I'm going to have a command in the description of the video here. I want you to open up a notepad file or text file, and I want you to paste this in. You see I have an E right here that I'm highlighting over with my mouse, and I'm going to have on the screen of this video as well. This letter is going to be replaced by whatever letter you're experiencing this issue with. So just keep that in mind. So if you have a D drive that you're experiencing a problem with, just type a D in here instead. Again, be cautious of any spaces or space removals you do in here, or else the command won't run. So once you have done that, you just want to highlight over it, right click, left click copy, or however you normally like to copy text files. And you want to open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best match should say command prompt. You want to right click on it and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on yes. Now at the top of this bar here, you want to right click, left click on edit, and then left click on paste. And once you're done that, your problem should be resolved. I would recommend trying to open up your flash disk again, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.